Welcome. If you've ever needed to report someone on Discord while using your mobile device, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to report a user quickly and safely, so you can help keep your Discord communities friendly and secure. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and that your app is up to date for the latest features and security. Next, find the user you want to report. You can do this by either navigating to your direct messages with them, or by finding their message in a server chat. Once you see their name, tap on it. This will open up their user profile where you can see more details about them. Now, look for the three-dot icon in the top right corner of their profile screen. This icon is your gateway to more options. Go ahead and tap on it. From the menu that appears, select Report User Profile. Discord will then prompt you to confirm that you really want to report this user. This step is important to prevent accidental reports, so double-check that you've selected the right person and have a valid reason for reporting. When you're sure, confirm your choice. After confirming, you'll be asked to provide more information about why you're reporting this user. Be as specific as possible. Include details about the behavior or messages that violated Discord's guidelines. This helps Discord's moderation team review your report more efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully reported a user on Discord Mobile. Your report will be reviewed by Discord's trust and safety team, and you can rest assured that your identity will remain confidential throughout the process. If you ever feel uncomfortable or witness behavior that goes against Discord's rules, don't hesitate to use this feature. Together, we can help keep Discord a safe and welcoming place for everyone. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Discord and staying safe online. See you next time.